organization that is truly charitable. Lawyers for the people that can't afford them. Is that right?
That's exactly right. Yes.
And your own 501c3.
Right.
Just like KPFT.
It is.
So you guys aren't profiting from this much?
No, we are providing volunteer lawyers to provide legal services for the less fortunate of Fort Bend County. It's a great program that was started by the Fort Bend County Bar Association in 2006, and we saw a need to provide legal services in cases such as family violence, divorce, custody, landlord-tenant. We are totally funded by private donations and grants. This is not a government program. We don't defend criminal because criminal cases are already provided for by the government, but we help people who can't afford lawyers get the legal help that they need to make their situation a little bit better.
In terms of seeking a justice, an outcome that's true, how important is it to have a lawyer with you in many cases?
It's very important. The legal system, the court system is very complicated and intricate, and things need to be done the right way at the right time to get the right paperwork on file. So people do need lawyers to help them. There are ways for people to do it themselves, but the normal average layperson without a law school education has a little bit of trouble tripping over some of the obstacles that are legal requirements. And so we help them with that by giving them advice and counsel, helping them do it by themselves with a little bit of assistance, or we represent them actually in court in certain cases.
So since Brock Osweiler didn't write a check to this show or your guys, you have to fund this.
Yes.
And the funds come from fundraisers.
Correct.
And you got one coming up.
We do. We have a fundraiser coming up called the Justice for All Luncheon. It's our annual fundraiser. It will be on April 20th at the Sweetwater Country Club in Sugar Land. We are inviting lawyers, businessmen, people from the Fort Bend community who would like to come and hear a great speaker, participate in a great lunch with a live auction and a silent auction, and hear a testimonial from one of Fort Bend Lawyers Care's clients who greatly benefited from our services. And this is our fundraiser. We sell tickets, we do the live auction, we do the silent auction. We have really had a great participation in the past, and we hope to have a great participation in this event. Tickets can be bought online.
We can't mention the amount.
We can mention the Fort Bend Lawyers Care website, www.fortbendlawyerscare.org. All the words are spelled out, FortBendLawyersCare.org.
That's how you spell lawyers.
Yes.
See, I've been spelling it different the whole time.
Well, that's a shame, because lawyers protect the law. They follow the law, they protect the law, and they protect people. So that's what we do at Fort Bend Lawyers Care. I'd love to have people, come to the website.
Seriously, folks.
Find out more information.
These people, they work all day, and then they put in extra hours on this, lots of extra hours. This is like KPFT. It's a volunteer thing. It's from the goodness of their hearts, and support this. And again, fortbendlawyerscare.com
.org.
.org.
Yes.
And the event is when?
The event is April 20th.
Where?
At Sweetwater Country Club.
Why?
To provide money to operate the organization, Fort Bend Lawyers Care. The lawyers do it on a volunteer basis, but the employees of the program have to provide the operations for the services, and so therefore we need money to fund the operations of the services.
Just like KPFT.
Exactly. So please help if you can. Thank you.
Thank you, Margie Connolly. And when you're out there at the event, tell her thank you for everything that she does.